There's a bird.
Oh my gosh, gee, look!
That's so cool.
Someone got a picture. Extreme bird watching.
Oh, once I was in school making a movie about like stereotypes and like what I was like cheerleader and I put my hair like this and the teacher's like, that's a stereotype. I'm like, whoops.
Whoops.
Did you get the point of that assignment?
Guys, the pelican's up there.
I know, you see its feet?
It's feet?
Jane, can you please show my hair? I call them feet.
Okay. There's birdies. I sound so intelligent. And
No, it looks really good. Sorry, I was thinking.
What are you doing to my head?
Okay, Emma, your turn.
it's such a bad camera, I can't even like hold it.
Back to the park.
Okay, well, we're going back to the park. So, one last horrible shot. Where'd they go? There it goes, bye.